Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab K11, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you will want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. Now, if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. And just be wary that paper clips, when they have this plastic wrap, they might be a little bit too thick to fit in here. That's where our tray is, right on the same side where your volume buttons are. Now this one is barely good enough. I do need to kind of like push it in there a little bit more than I would like to. And once you get in there, you can push it in more, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Typically, you just yoink that out and it would come out, and then the tray separately, but like I said, it's under a little bit too well. So let me just kind of try not to damage it, and oh, there we go, perfectly. So once you get the tray out, you can then place your cards on it. So here's our spot for SD card and our SIM card. I do have a SIM support right here as mobile network. And from there, we can just insert it back into our device. Now you want to be careful when inserting it back, as there's nothing holding those cards in place other than gravity. So just be careful so they don't kind of misplace themselves from the tray and then start wedging them in there. The tray should go relatively easily back in there. Now when you insert your cards, they will start working right away, hence why it's prompting me to confirm my SIM card PIN. Once I do so, this will unlock the SIM card, and SD card should be working without any kind of additional steps, which you can see right here it is. So there we go. That's how you insert the SIM and SD card. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.